Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the copy and paste function is not working on the desktop version of Discord. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord and select the gear icon down in the bottom left corner. That should open up the user settings. And then on the left side, scroll down underneath app settings and select accessibility, and then scroll down again on the right panel, go underneath where it says use the legacy chat input. Disables most chat features but may work better with screen readers. Go ahead and toggle that on. And that is all you have to do. You will need to close out of here and relaunch Discord, and then the change should take effect. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.